All right. Okay. The next thing we need to do is to now create a new campaign. So this video is to use Google Ads to create a new campaign. And to get started, the first thing we need to do is to go to our browser and type in what we refer to as ads.google.com. Ads.google.com. Now that will now take us to where we sign in. The previous video shows us how to get started with Google Apps. But today, I want to believe you created your account. Instead of you clicking start now, you click sign in. So let's click sign in. Then we see how we can easily create our account. Now our account is coming up. My account ID, you can see from here, this is what my account ID is. And GT Multimedia, that's the parent company of our company, and my email address. Now, you can see now I'm now in my Google Ads dashboard, and you can see my previous campaign, and this is what you're seeing here. So for us to get started, this is where you find yourself here. Then you click what we call new campaign. Now, he was asking me, do I want to start a new campaign or horizon from where I left it from? Obviously, maybe I've been working on a campaign that I didn't finish up. So it's asking if I can, if I want to continue with it. So I want for the sake of this class, I'll click new campaign. So it's coming up. Now, when you get to this point, the objective, just like we have in Facebook, you have to state the objectives. What do you really want to do with your campaign? Do you want to drive sales online, in app, by phone, or in your store? Do you want to get leads and other conversion by encouraging customers to take action? Get right people to visit your website, encourage people to explore your product or services, um, reach a broad audience and build awareness, get more install interaction, and so on and so forth. But if you notice that as we are putting on, it will tell you the kind of ad this can do. Now, campaign types, we have what we call the search, the display, the shopping, the video, and the smart discovery. If you click on this cells, this is what is available for you. Now, if you come here again, the same thing. If you come here, we only have the search, the display, the shopping, the video. Now, here is just display and video. Hope you're getting it now. Campaign types tells you, I think we have about 5 of them. We have search, display, shopping, video, smart. Okay, I think that's 5. So all this objective can be, you can use the campaign tags to achieve your objectives. So for the sake of this class, we will limit it to what we call website traffic. And if you need to do website traffic, that shows you must have a website or a landing page that you want to drive people to. Now, these are the types. When you have selected your objective, so these are the campaign types. Under the campaign type, we have what we call the search, the display, the shopping, the video, and the smart discovery. Now, the major thing here that I use is what we call the search or the display. Now, the display can be used for what we refer to as remarketing. When people visit your site and they refuse to take action, so you can only show your ad in a display form in terms of image or video or wherever to them wherever they find themselves, because they are what we call um they are what we call advertising network. So it might not really be on Google network that you see the display. It could be in Yahoo, there could be so far. There's what we call AdSense. People who do AdSense to make money. So it could be on their website, third party website. So I will click on search. So I'll continue. And why I click on search is that because I know people will want to search for my uh my keyword, my key bidding keywords. I told you in your previous video that what search Google ad is all about is you bid for keywords, and these are the keywords people search for. And whenever people search for that your keyword, your ad will pop up. Then they will click on it. You know, it's an inbound marketing where people search for what they are looking for, then you will come up. So it is necessary for you to supply your, what do I call it, your website address. So because you said you want to drive traffic to your website. So I'll click continue. Okay, it's asking me that I've done this before. Start new. So what happened is that I was doing something related to that. So it's something that you've already picked this site before. Should we continue from where you started from? And I said, no, start afresh. And this is what our campaign is all about. You select your campaign settings, you set up your ad groups like what we have in Facebook, you create your ads, then you review it. So let's see what we have here. Now, our campaign name, you can give it a name. You can just give it a name. Okay, let me call it website traffic. Yes, but as I always say, please, whenever you are giving your campaign a name, let it be related to what you are doing, not that you are just doing it any way you want it. So we have two networks. We have what we call the search network, and I explained last time, and the display network. So let's continue. Now the next is the location. Where do you want your ad to be displayed? Is it a Nigerian product or international product? This is a Nigerian product, so I'm going to click Nigeria. So I'll continue. Then you ask if for normal. I don't speak in Chinese. I click out English is the right word. So select audience to add it to this campaign. So this is where you pick up what kind of audience. I want an advertising audience. I want this. I want this. Because why is it coming up? Because Google have tried. Immediately I submitted my website address, he has gone to search whatever I have on my website. What about he knows what I'm talking about. So I'll place this. I think these are my audience, just like the way you have having it. So just pick on them, and I think I'm going to stop here. So I'll continue. And targeting. Do you want to target, or you want to um, as I said, this is a new campaign. I will leave it open. So the next campaign I'm going to do, then I will have gotten more tracking events. So that is that. So budget. How do you want it? I want to spend $10. The last time when I was explaining in class, I said you spend in dollars whenever you come to Google Ads. Google Ads only is accept dollar, and if you look at it Nigerian rate, that's why I was trying to say it's more expensive. But if you compare yourself with your counterpart in America, $10 will always be $10. Yeah, $10 is not $10. $10 is times maybe 500 or whatever you think. You know what I'm talking about, and this is what you spend per day. Do you understand now? So we're going to put in for $10. And what we're trying to say again is that it is very effective. You get people get to you get to pay for your ad when people search for it and click on it. So people that click on your ad are relevant people that really looking for solution what in which your ad is trying to solve. So they are not just wasting time. Do you understand now? Yes, and we'll continue. Yeah, commercial can clicking down. Site link, add we don't need this now. Let's continue. It's a straightforward way. It is very, very straightforward way. So the hard group, you can call it traffic. Like I said, this is the way we have it in there. Now, in as I said before, in Google Ads, you use keywords to do your advert, to place your advert. Now, find relevant keywords describing what you're advertising in this ad group. Okay, what am I advertising? I'm advertising online course. Online course. You understand? So I will now say update. Yes, replace what you have. So that is how you add to what you have. Do you understand now? So you can also always remove all this one you have. I will show you later. So and again in the next course, I think I will show you how to use keyword. It's very very important. You will learn how to use keyword, how to bid for less. Are you getting it now? And then get the traffic from it. So we are there already. So this is where you now start writing your creatives. Are we clear? You start writing your creatives like we have the other way. You can see as you're writing it, it will be displaying here. So let's see my URL, display URL, maybe what you want it to be displayed. Okay, let's say free digital marketing. You understand? Let's see how it appears here. You can see as I'm writing it, it's changing. Do you understand? So now you can see what's just going to appear here because there is uh, there is what I refer to as it has gone to my website to pick things out. That's why it's showing. So I'm going to change it to um, let me click this here. So attend the the just say something attend online course now. So what is that? All right. So you can come here and start adding headlines. That's what it is. So you go through this thing, then you now describe. When you describe, now you can see my descriptions here. A lot of free description. Just try and if it is this, you can see it's picking up. Try to describe what you're talking about, but make sure whenever you're describing, let your keywords be in between. Now, these are the things that will pop up your ad, and if your ad is not getting it right, um, uh, you won't get the desired result. That's why we dwell more on keywords. So keyword is so important. So this is the way it will appear on desktop, and this is the way it will appear on a mobile. I'm just using this as an example. It is not the way I really want to let it be. So that is that about how to create a new campaign. Then you get it done. Then you save and continue. Um, save and continue. Now your campaign isn't ready yet. Add issues that will prevent your ad showing. And because I didn't really put enough in that my creative, you can see it's incomplete. There are some things that I meant to have I should have um, done. So it will not go. And again, um, when you were creating that account, you will have put in your you will have put in your billing information. So immediately, and I put billing automatic. So immediately I place an advert, whenever anybody clicks my stuff, I get bid, I get bill, I get a bill. So the next video I will quickly show you is to use keywords to prepare for your ads because it's so important. Then next time I will give you Google conversion um, tracking tag. So that's just it. So this how to start a new campaign. I really want to appreciate you for your time. So if you have any question, the platform is still free for us to use. Thank you.